so much fun, huh? Well, at least I've kind of gotten over having such a bad day. How are you doing over there on your bad day? Hasn't hit you yet?
Yeah, it has.
You're not doing good then, are you?
Lay there, Grace.
Hello, how are you? Good. Yeah, that's the ticket.
He thought that right there was a firefighter.
That's what I thought. That's what I was telling you when I seen it.
Thank you.
Said, well, I don't know. It was either that or Wyoming plates, but. Gracie, careful. He's trying to take a video of this. He doesn't want you to get in front, okay?
See, the car didn't move at all for somebody getting out. That's what's weird.
It's almost like the van's set up for that, because there's just no freaking way you'd be able to throw that in there that easy.
He at least has the seats out.
He backed into it. They must
See,
have
he's
leaned
back-
it forward, and he just set it down and probably shoved it forward. You can see right now, if I leaned it against, look at it, and it'll bounce. What's your thing now? It's time for the video.
Okay. So now